everyone, and welcome to today's Ciao Florence tour. Today we'll be exploring the Tuscany region, going to 2 authentic vineyards in the Tuscan countryside, trying out the famous Chianti wines. We'll be tasting local delicacies along with wonderful wines from the area. Now for my favorite part. Follow me and come taste the wonderful wines of the Chianti region. Thank you for joining us today on our Ciao Florence tour of the Chianti region. I hope you all had a wonderful time. If you want to check out more destinations around Italy, be sure to check out our website. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.